Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel, Dream of Crafts. My name is Deanna and today I'm going to be doing the preview to my next mini album. The release date on these, the first tutorial will be February 29th at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the tutorial number 2 will be released March 7th at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So February 29th is the first tutorial and March 7th is the second. So I've used the Graphic 45 Raining Cats and Dogs, and I only had used the 8x8 pack. I didn't have any stickers or anything like that, so I wanted to use the whole 8x8 pack, and I ended up with one tag left. So this is all I had left, and I can slip this in somewhere too if I want, but that's all I had left out of my full 8x8 pack. In addition to that, I used 3 other Graphic 45 papers, the back sides of Children's Hour from 2016, I think I had. So I used this polka dot here and the red stripe and the black stripe. So I keep those because their colors always coincide with each other so nice. So I utilized those also and some teal regular cardstock to go along with. So the front I just kept nice and plain. This is a gift album for a family member and her boyfriend. So they lost both their cat and their dog last year, very short time apart. So spine is just the plain paper, and then on the back I used the checkered pattern, and then I just attached one of the little tags there so I can make a note on there in memory of or whatever. And then we just have 2 magnetic closures here. I didn't want to embellish this a lot on the front because I just don't think that would be their style. So I wanted to keep it nice and simple. So both sides of this album are the same. The right side is for the dog and the left side is for cat. So I have divided it up, and let's go ahead and do the right side first. Here you got just a little flip open tag there, and then this flips to the right here. And here I've just cut apart some of the stamps and attached them to some black cardstock and just fussy cut around it. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. I don't want to get you too much out of the camera. There we go. There. So, and then this flips open. So you have a nice opening here. A nice little spot for a photo. And then this is left up so she can get a good picture there. I don't know how many pictures of their pets they have, but I think I gave them plenty of space for all they want to put in. And on this side is just a check to use the Raining Cats and Dogs strip there. Again, this is lifted up. This opens to the left. And on the center page here, we have 2 of the same tags cut out from other papers, and that's left open. And on the right, again, we have 5 of the stamps cut apart, glued back together on a strip of black cardstock. And another tag here, and another spot here with the umbrella strip there. So this opens to the right, and we just have a nice teal cardstock with a banner of the dogs and cats. Or this is just the dogs there. All you need is love and a dog. Tag there. And on the center, we've got another tag there. Oops, I see where I grabbed the glue there. I'll have to fix that. And a nice big page spot. On the left, we have just a tag that's left up. And this tag here is left up. And this lifts up like so. And then this is left open here. And then you have another one that goes down like this. Let me get some more room here. So this is a short one, and then that just opens up like that, and then this is left open also. So lots and lots of room here. Lots of room, and it just keeps folding up. Just like so. There we go. And we'll go to the left side here. Again, we got home is where my cat is. And again, we've got the stamps cut out, put back together for the cat side. And this opens up to a nice photo layout there. And again, this is left open. And here we got the blue umbrellas for the cats. And then this side here is the also with raining cats and dogs strip on there. On this side we have the stamps again with the cats. This opens up, got a cat tag here, and then another cat tag there with the black umbrellas. And then here we've got the same tags again for the cats. And we've got another one here, just put on decorative, or on teal cardstock with the black umbrella paper. And then we've got the magnetic flip there. Or that's not magnet, just a flip there. This opens up. We've got the strip for the cats here, and the cat's meow tag, and then the cat's pajamas here, laid out on there. And this one also flips up just like that. This is open. And then let me get this up here for you. And then again, this flips down to be open. And here it says home is where my cat is. And this is left open. So a nice, simple construction with lots and lots of generous room for pictures. Something on this. There we go. Lots of room for pictures. And I'm going to get this mailed out to her. So if you're subscribed to my channel, I'm going to thank you. I really appreciate it. And if you are not, please do so at this time. You can hit the red button down in the right hand corner and the bell will pop up and you can select to be notified each time a new video is uploaded. Again, the dates for release are February 29th at 5 p.m. Eastern Time and March 7th at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. And it's just a two-part tutorial. And the first one is the build and the second one is adding all the cardstock and stuff. So I hope you will drop in and follow along. So until the next time, as always, have a great day. Bye-bye.